Hello Avakins, welcome to this week's edition of Cash Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to remove your green screen backgrounds and also how to remove pixelations and add new backgrounds in the simplest way. So even if you have zero editing skills, this will work for you. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, and also if you have any questions or suggestions, the comment section is always available. Like and share this video if it helped you. It's not compulsory, but it's a nice thing to do.